Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to sign up for Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. And remember, if you decide to sign up, use the referral code 291935167 to unlock some fantastic bonuses. Let's get started. Before we jump into the sign-up process, let's talk about what you need. Make sure you have a valid email address, a phone number, and a photo ID ready for verification. Using a referral code like 291935167 can get you some great bonuses, so keep that handy as well. All right, let's break down the sign-up process step by step. Step 1 is creating an account. Head over to the Binance website or download the Binance app. Click on Sign Up and enter your email or mobile number. Create a strong password. Don't forget to enter the referral code 291935167 to qualify for the bonuses. After entering your details, click Next. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code to verify your account. Once you've created your account, you need to complete the KYC verification. This is crucial for unlocking all features on Binance. Go to your account settings and click on Account and Security. Then click on Verify Now. You'll need to upload a clear photo of your ID and a selfie. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After your account is verified, it's time to set up security. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, by going to Account and Security and clicking Setup next to Google Two-Factor. Scan the QR code with your Google Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code it generates. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now, let's fund your account. To deposit funds, click on Wallet and then Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and copy your unique wallet address. Transfer the funds from your personal wallet to this address. Make sure you double-check the address before sending any funds. Withdrawing funds is just as easy. Go to Wallet and click Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, enter the amount, and paste your destination wallet address. Complete the 2FA verification to finalize the withdrawal. Let's take a quick tour of the Binance platform. On the homepage, you can access different trading options like spot trading and futures trading. Binance also offers additional features like staking, savings, and the Binance Earn program. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Here are some tips for new users. Always enable 2FA for enhanced security. Use the referral code 291935167 during sign-up to unlock the best bonuses. Take advantage of Binance's educational resources to improve your trading skills. Start with small trades to get comfortable with the platform before diving into larger transactions. To sum up, signing up for Binance is a straightforward process that offers numerous benefits, especially when you use the referral code 291935167. From creating your account to securing it and funding it, Binance provides a seamless experience for all users. Thanks for watching Crypto Kickstart. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. Head over to Binance, use the referral code 291935167 and start your crypto journey today. Until next time, happy trading. Keep your crypto game strong and your wallets even stronger. See you soon.